Change battery on Xumo remote. In today's video, you are going to learn how to change battery on Xumo remote. So let's get started and watch the video till the end. First, gather your tools, a small screwdriver if your remote has a screw, new batteries. Most Xumo remotes uses AAA or AAA batteries. Open the battery compartment, turn the remote over to find the battery cover. If there is a screw, use the screwdriver to remove it. Slide or lift the battery cover off. Remove the old batteries, take out the old AAA batteries, then dispose of them properly. Batteries should not be thrown in regular trash. Now, insert new batteries, place the new AAA batteries inside, make sure the plus are positive and negative ends match the labels inside. Close and test the remote, put the battery cover back on and tighten the screw if needed. Now press a few buttons to make sure the remote is working. And that's all. That's how you will be able to change battery on Xumo remote.